Okra, often referred to as the green gem, is a versatile and nutrient-rich vegetable, with its unique flavor and numerous health benefits. Okra is a staple ingredient in many cuisines and a high-value crop for Asian farmers. From vast fields in India, Vietnam, and Thailand to advanced processing facilities in China and Malaysia, okra has made its way into both domestic and international markets. This success is the result of the seamless integration of traditional farming practices and modern technology. Exceptional nutrition. Okra is packed with fiber, vitamins C and K and minerals like magnesium and calcium. Rich in antioxidants, it reduces the risk of heart disease, diabetes, and aids in digestion. Diverse applications. Culinary use. Okra is essential in various Asian dishes, such as soups, stir-fries, grilled recipes, and curries. Processed products. Okra is dried, canned, or turned into ready-to-eat snacks and frozen foods. Market potential. The global demand for okra, particularly in Japan, Europe, and the Middle East, has been increasing. Recognizing its economic value, many Asian countries now consider okra a key crop, providing farmers with a stable income. Ideal natural conditions. Okra thrives in tropical and subtropical climates with abundant sunlight and temperatures ranging from 20 to 30 degrees Celsius. Regions like the Red River Delta in Vietnam, Maharashtra state in India, and southern provinces of Thailand are ideal for cultivating okra. Cultivation process. Seed selection. Improved okra varieties are chosen to boost yield and resist pests. Care and maintenance. Using organic fertilizers, drip irrigation systems, and crop rotation enhances soil fertility and reduces pest risks. Harvesting. Okra is harvested 40 to 50 days after planting, while the pods are still young, vibrant green, and tender. In some areas, mechanical harvesting has been introduced, saving labor and improving productivity. Basic processing steps. Once harvested, okra undergoes several steps to enhance its market value. Cleaning. Automated washing systems remove dirt and bacteria. Sorting. Pods are sorted by size and color to ensure uniform quality. Cutting and processing. Okra can be sliced, dried, frozen, or turned into snacks. Advanced technologies. Quick freezing, IQF, preserves freshness and nutrients of okra. Drying. Thermal or freeze-drying methods produce crispy, appealing dried okra products. Vacuum packaging extends shelf life while maintaining natural flavor. Okra products. Okra snacks, a healthy snack widely popular in Japan and South Korea. Frozen okra serves export markets, especially countries with long winters. Ready-to-eat meals. Garlic stir-fried okra and pickled okra are highly favored. India, the capital of okra. India is the largest producer of okra globally, accounting for over 70% of the world's production, with vast farmlands and modern processing facilities. India has built a reputation for high-quality okra, meeting both domestic and international demand. Vietnam, Rising export potential. Vietnamese okra farms are receiving significant investments. From farming techniques to processing infrastructure, Vietnam's frozen okra and snack okra products have reached demanding markets like Japan and Europe. China, investing in high-tech solutions. China focuses not only on volume but also on developing value-added okra products, such as okra powder for functional foods and cosmetics. Opportunities for growth. Rising demand. The global trend toward healthy eating drives increased okra consumption. Export potential. Asian countries have opportunities to expand export markets with competitive pricing and quality products. Challenges. Climate change affects crop yields. Competition from other producing countries. Future directions. Investing in technology. Utilizing IoT and drones to monitor and optimize farming practices. Brand development. Raising awareness of Asian okra quality in international markets. Product diversification. Creating innovative okra products to cater to diverse consumer demands. The journey from okra seeds to high-value products is a story of relentless effort and innovation. Through the hands of Asian farmers, okra has become more than just a crop. It is a source of pride and a symbol of sustainable development and progress. Brussels sprouts, often referred to as miniature cabbages, are a nutrient-rich vegetable beloved around the world. However, not many people know that this vegetable is not only a staple in European countries but is also driving a revolution in agriculture across Asia. With their compact size and rich nutritional profile, Brussels sprouts provide high economic value and are an ideal choice for healthy meals. In recent years, thanks to advanced technology and efforts to develop sustainable production processes, many Asian countries have achieved remarkable success in cultivating, harvesting, and processing Brussels sprouts. Origins and development history. Brussels sprouts originated in Belgium, where they have been cultivated since the 16th century. From Europe, this vegetable gradually spread worldwide, gaining acclaim for its adaptability to various climates. In Asia, Brussels sprouts were initially grown experimentally. However, with research into plant varieties and modern techniques, this crop has quickly become a key agricultural product in countries like China, India, and Vietnam. Economic potential and nutritional value. Nutrition. Brussels sprouts are rich in fiber, vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants, supporting the immune system and reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Applications: widely used in fresh dishes, stews, and processed products such as frozen foods and canned goods. Market: the economic value of Brussels sprouts is growing rapidly, especially in major export markets like the US and Europe, where the demand for healthy and organic foods is rising. Ideal cultivation conditions. Brussels sprouts thrive best in cool climates. Many highland regions in Asia, such as Dar Lat, Vietnam, Yunnan, China, or certain areas in India, offer the perfect environment for this crop. Soil: loose, nutrient-rich soil with good drainage. Climate: temperatures ranging from 15 to 20 degrees Celsius. Modern farming techniques. Seed sowing: use of improved seed varieties to enhance yield and resistance to pests. Care: regular application of organic fertilizers and consistent watering while avoiding waterlogging. Pest management: adoption of natural methods such as utilizing biological predators to control pests. Minimizing chemical pesticide use. Harvesting and storage. Brussels sprouts are harvested when the buds reach uniform size and exhibit a deep green color. In countries like China, farmers have adopted modern machinery for harvesting, minimizing losses and optimizing productivity. Processing steps. After harvesting, Brussels sprouts undergo several processing stages to ensure their quality and nutritional value. Cleaning: use of high-pressure water systems to remove dirt and impurities. Pre-processing: trimming and removing wilted leaves or buds that do not meet standards. Preservation: rapid freezing or vacuum packaging to extend shelf life. Products made from Brussels sprouts. Brussels sprouts are transformed into a wide variety of products to meet consumer demands domestically and internationally. Frozen Brussels sprouts maintains flavor and nutritional value. Ideal for export markets. Ready-to-eat meals, such as garlic butter sautéed Brussels sprouts. Stews, or pre-packed salads. Extracts, used in functional foods and cosmetics due to their powerful antioxidant properties. Advanced processing technologies. Many Asian countries have invested in modern processing technologies. Individual quick freezing, IQF, ensures each sprout is individually frozen. Preserving freshness. Vacuum packaging systems, protects products from bacteria and extends shelf life. Outstanding achievements. Export growth. Asia has not only achieved self-sufficiency, but has also become a leading exporter of Brussels sprouts worldwide. Processing industry. Advanced processing plants have increased product value, created jobs, and improved farmers' livelihoods. Challenges and opportunities. Challenges. Climate change affecting yields. Competition from other nations like the US and Europe. Opportunities. Expanding exports to premium markets. Developing more value-added products such as organic and functional foods. Future directions. Variety research. Developing Brussels sprout varieties with better resistance to harsh weather and pests. Technology applications. Continued adoption of smart agricultural solutions such as IoT sensors and drones for crop monitoring. Brand building. Raising global awareness about the superior quality of Brussels sprouts from Asia. The journey from tiny seeds to high-quality Brussels sprout products is a testament to the creativity, effort, and ambition of Asian countries. This is not just a story about agriculture, but also a lesson in harnessing natural potential and technology to make a difference in the global market.